In our third if example, we seem to be playing that game of using some input from argv and then compiling as optimized. So seem to be wanting to hide something from the compiler, some sort of input that we're going to use to do a less than comparison. Is A less than input or is B less than input? And if not, if neither is true, then we're going to return beats, beats, beats. So here's our new assembly instructions, BLT and BLTU. Why might we be seeing both a unsigned version apparently and a signed version? Well, if we look at A and B, we see that one is a signed long and one is an unsigned long. It's almost like I meant to do that. Okay, BLT, it's not a delicious sandwich, it's a branch if less than. So do the RS1 less than RS2, treat it as a signed number, basically. Running theme here with RISC-V, everything's signed unless you throw an unsigned indicator onto it. So compare those, and if that condition is true, then go ahead and jump to the offset. If not, then go ahead and fall through. Once again, always with these branch assembly instructions, you're going to see an absolute address. And branch if less than unsigned comparison, same deal, is RS1 less than RS2, but treated as an unsigned comparison. If so, branch to the offset. If not, fall through to the next assembly instruction. As always, expect that you're not going to see an offset. You're going to see an absolute address in the disassembler. Cool. Got some new assembly instructions. Go step through this assembly, but this is going, I think you should make a stack diagram for this, and also there's something a little bit weird about this assembly that I didn't dwell upon so that you could go run into it yourself. We'll dwell upon it when we come back.